Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to log into Netflix. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the Netflix app on your device and tap Sign In. On the sign in page, enter your email address linked to your Netflix account and enter your password. If you forget your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it. When done, tap Sign In. So that's how you log in to Netflix. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.